p times 4, that is 4p, then plus b times 3, 3b, then plus negative 3 times negative 1. Given that vector A is pi plus bj minus 3k, and vector b is 4i plus 3j minus k, where p is a constant, determine the value of p such that vector A and b are perpendicular to each other. That is a very simple concept in vectors. You can remember a case of vector dot products. So if you look at a case of vector dot products, it simply implies that when two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then the vector dot product is 0, isn't it? It is 0 in that perpendicular means the angle between them is 90 degrees, isn't it? So when you have vector A dot vector B to be equals to the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B, cosine of the angle between them. So if they are perpendicular, it means the angle between them is 90 degrees, isn't it? And cos 90 is 0, isn't it? So if cos 90 is 0, then it will mean that A dot B is equals to 0. So all we need to find is A dot B to be equals to 0. Then we get that equation, then we make P the subject of the formula, isn't it? Have you seen that? Because you need to determine P. So for you to determine P, it means to make P the subject of the formula after getting this dot product of vector A and B, isn't it? So what is the vector dot product of A and B? It is just x times x, because I squared is 1, j squared is 1, k squared is 1. Right? The rest are 0, isn't it? Are we together? So what is A dot B start? I times I, p times 4, that is 4p, then plus b times 3, 3b, then plus negative 3 times negative 1, positive 3 to be equals to 0. So you determine the dot product of the two vectors, isn't it? So the next thing you do is to make P the subject of the formula. So any term without P you take on the right hand side of the equation. So here we will remain with 4P is equals to minus 3B minus 3. So positive 3B going on the right hand side of the equation, it becomes negative, isn't it? Then positive 3 going on the right hand side of the equation, it becomes negative. So in the end, we remain with P to be equals to minus 3B minus 3 over 4. You divide both sides with the coefficient of P. Then you found